We will look at the high-level steps on how to get started with your iShield key. Securing your accounts with the iShield key can be done in just 3 steps. Step 1. Have your iShield key and your device ready. Most services require registration via a PC or Mac, even if they support mobile authentication. Step 2. Register your iShield key with the services or the accounts that you would like to protect. You will need to register your iShield key individually with each service. The setup process is determined by the service provider, and setup instructions may vary from service to service. Step 3. You are now ready to use your personal iShield key. When signing into an account, you must enter your login details and use your iShield key.